I don't wanna love nobody but you. I don't wanna love nobody but you. I don't wanna love nobody but you.
What's up? It's your girl Little Miss Curls 82 and I am back with another video. As you can tell by the title, this is an updated perm rod scent routine for me. There are so many different techniques that you can use to achieve some fluffy, bouncy, voluminous curls, and this is one of the techniques that I like to use. So here we are. I'm glad that you guys decided to tune in with your girl. Please, if you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. And if you're an oldie but goodie Natural-lite gang returning back for 2024, I appreciate you guys so very much. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. And like always, I like to say thank you so much for rocking with your girl, Little Miss Curls. Until the next time, peace. horrible because I can't just get under the dryer for 30 minutes and done. Like, it's literally an hour, 2, 3 hours. And even though I did this on already blown out stretched hair, it's gonna take a century to dry. But nevertheless, I'm done. So I was just gonna do the orange and light colored yellow perm rods, but I ran out of the yellow ones. So I have a combination of yellow, orange, and purple. So this took no time, I feel like, because I've done it on stretched hair and in sections, and it seems like when I do my perm rod sets on stretched hair in sections, I'm not worried about if my hair is parted correctly. I don't care about any of that. I'm just going along section by section, and it's really not that bad as far as the time that it took for me to do this. So I'm about to clean up my mess and hit the dryer, you guys. I'll probably just insert pictures if I don't come back with the follow-up takedown. But however I do it, whatever I decide to do, you guys stay tuned. Thank you so much for always rocking with your girl, Miss Curls. Bye. With the final reveal on these curls. Oh my god. So you guys, I absolutely love the way they came out. They're so freaking soft and fluffy, and that's what I was going for. And you guys, so I could separate even more, but I'm gonna be late for church if I stay here separating these curls. But I'm going to do more separating afterwards because yeah, these bad babies are lovely, you guys. So soft, so, I mean, just, oh, you see it? I don't know how the back moves, but I'm gonna go and check the mirror in the back and see how the back is looking. But you guys, okay, it's been a minute since I did a roller set that I absolutely love. And these, I'm loving the curls. You see the shine? Oh my god, y'all, they are so bouncy and curly. Oh my god, they're just so bouncy, fluffy, and I absolutely love the way that it came out, you guys. I love it. I love it. So I'm getting ready to head out for church. I'm gonna snap a few photos before I leave, but here is the final look. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys, I love it. I love it. I'm gonna do more separating because I had some sections that had more hair together, more hair on the roller and then some sections. So I'm definitely going to, you know, yeah, separate more and fluff more. But I am pleased. I am thrilled. It ain't nothing but like having a good, you know, perm rod set come out busting. I don't have much frizz. I'm creating it right there, but I don't want it. I'm not trying to create too much frizz, but you can't help but get some frizz when you're doing a perm rod set that is just, you know, more on the fluffier end than so much on the stiff end. So, but I absolutely love it, you guys.